said he spent 4 times. I put that sticky pickle down there and do no spinning. It do feel good though. Turn this air back on. Oh yeah, that feel good. Okay. Okay. Here, I got the slip right there. I'm gonna leave the slip in there. Here, you want to trade cars now? Here. It felt good to me. It ain't do no spinning. Ain't do no spinning. Hey, yeah, they about to get it on. I ain't in the zone. Everybody keep asking with my drone. Ooh, we from me a caprice. Okay, y'all. Back in here. Low got the AC on in here too. That's funny, y'all. That nigga, that crazy. Okay. About to go over here. What the hell is this music on? Let's see, I'm gonna park over here. Oh no, I should just, well nah, I don't know what to do right now. I probably, let me see. I might as well, yeah, I'm gonna go back in the line, y'all, fuck it. This truck gotta move out the way. Hey, what's up with it, Mike M340? Look at all my people that's on TikTok. Y'all check out my YouTube channel. Look at Racing, man. I'm live right now. Yeah. Y'all come on over. Come check me out one time for the one time. What's up with it? Oh, okay, bet. Okay. I got the glue back in here. Just leave it right here. Yeah, I'm live on YouTube right now, man. My YouTube channel is Lookout Racing. We live widescreen, HD. Nah, I think I cut it off. I think I cut it back on. I think so. I think I cut it back on. Yeah, I got you. Ain't spin though. They said that sticky pickle don't work. Yeah. Bug, that sticky pickle work. Onboard camera for the other driver. Look out. Yo, shout out to my boy Track Snacks, y'all. He said he about to come up here soon with him and show y'all what it is. Got that 1080p over here on my YouTube channel. Look out, they say you finna make a full pass?
Yeah, but I'm gonna do a motor pass first.
Okay, and then you gonna turn that nitrous on after that? Okay, that's what we ready for. We're gonna have you live on my YouTube channel, man. Look out, racing. Already. Okay, we got Jesus, got me on his 82-inch. Daniel's Bully, what's up with it, Daniels? That know you. Somebody say he knows some people in Indiana that know me personally. What? I don't even know nobody in Indiana. But I would go down there. I want to start going some places I ain't never been to see what they doing. Yeah, I want to go see what they doing. I'm about to bring the Mustang out and start racing people real soon. I just need one pass. Hell, I'm ready. Look out.
What's wrong with that?
What I do?
Beat that nigga on your car.
You beat him in his truck.
You right.
You done built up his dust. You done in his truck. You done made his dust long.
Hey. All my people on TikTok, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. HD. They say it's showing way better than TikTok. When y'all get in here, y'all let me know y'all came from TikTok so I can let me know you came from TikTok so I can give you a old shout out.